Apple AirPods 3 Health Tracking Feature. Reports suggest that Apple's upcoming AirPods 3 may include a health tracking feature. Apple to assemble another major product in India. Apple is reportedly planning to assemble another major product in India starting next year. Xiaomi launches new products. Xiaomi has launched the Redmi Buds 6, sound outdoor speaker, and ultra-slim power bank. Bolt launches new party speakers. Bolt has launched the PartyBox X80, Soundbar BassBox X30, and BassBox X625 party speakers. Colorful launches, high-speed DDR5 RAM. Colorful has launched the iGame Shadow DDR5 RAM with speeds up to 8,400 megatransfers per second. MSI to manufacture laptops in India. MSI is planning to manufacture its modern 14 and thin 15 series laptops in India. Lenovo launches AI-powered yoga. Slim 7 iAura Edition. Lenovo has launched the AI-powered Yoga Slim 7 iAura Edition with Intel Core Ultra in India. Apple Magic Mouse Fix. Apple may finally be addressing the long-standing issue with the Magic Mouse's biggest problem. WhatsApp Web Reverse Image Search. WhatsApp Web is reportedly working on a Google-enabled reverse image search feature. iPhone 16 and MacBook Air, discounts. iPhone 16, iPhone 16. Pro Max and MacBook Air are currently available at discounted prices during VJ Sales Apple Days sale. NASA Parker Solar Probe. Flyby. NASA has confirmed the successful flyby of the Parker Solar Probe, completing its closest sun approach. Vivo Y200 Plus launched. Vivo has launched the Y200 Plus with a Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 SoC and a 6,000 mAh battery. Automatic and AI Alliance unveil. Semikong. Automatic and AI Alliance have unveiled Semikong, an open-source AI model focused on semiconductors. Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 GPU performance. The Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 may come with significantly improved GPU performance. Cloud, AI ML top emerging techs, adopted by Indian banks. A recent RBI survey revealed that cloud computing and AI ML are the top emerging technologies adopted by Indian banks.